So much has changed with technology over the last even 2 years due to the absolute snowballing exponential transformational period that we're in. Everyone from kind of your Elon Musk's transforming the state of transport today, and energy and battery power is really changing the way that technology is impacting business. We've seen the rise of AI, where more and more consumers aren't even aware that they're interacting with an intelligent piece of software that's learning from that interaction and enabling kind of personalization en masse in a way that really wasn't feasible before. That type of personalisation is something that is becoming more and more important to marketeers to really tailor their communication with each individual consumer in a way that would never be humanly possible if it was manually done by human intervention. And that actually leads us to blockchain technology, which is one of the more rapidly transforming technologies of our time. It kind of reminds me of that, early internet period where you'd have people on the news, reporters saying, oh, so what's this internet thing all about? Is it going to be a trend? Is it going to be something that's going to die next year? Well, that's how I see blockchain. Blockchain is somewhere a kind of a shared ledger, and smart contracts mean that if brands want to incentivize consumers to participate in an experience, if they want to tailor an experience en masse, they can use these emerging technologies. And it's not just on the computer side, and it's not just software and algorithms. Immersive experiences themselves are being heavily transformed due to the more accessible nature of creating an immersive environment. And that can be anything from augmented reality to virtual reality and fusions of, what people are now calling merged reality. God, we're in jargon central here, but the truth is it's making it a lot more accessible to take an experience that might be very expensive to curate and film and capture, but take it to a much wider audience, whether that be art galleries like exhibiting things at the V&A, taking it out to consumers all around the world in countries that might never have a chance to visit somewhere like, say, the Victoria and Albert Museum. Brands around the world are enabling their consumers to touch and taste and see things that really they would have no access to without that immersive digital environment. So this has really been the catalyst for what we're calling physical digital, or phygital as some of the jargon train demands. And really watch this space. I think it's an interesting time to be a part of and see how the next 2 years pan out.